Welcome to Tom Quest. Does this happen to you? Visor not long enough and you can't see because sun is in your eyes? I'm gonna show you a cheap and inexpensive way of doing this and extending a visor. On the way home I picked up a few supplies, one of them being a board, foam board, thickness probably about a quarter of an inch. Then I got some tie wraps. They come in a package you can join together. You could also use elastics. I'm gonna try that and see if that works. You will need a measuring tape and a knife. My visor is 15 by 6, so we will need to cut a visor that's gonna extend that will measure probably an inch shorter for your car. I'm going to cut mine 13 by 5. So first we'll measure it. We can start at any corner. We need to draw the line. This is going to be our shape of the visor. It's approximately 33 centimeters and 5 inches is approximately 12.5 centimeters. So we'll do that. And next you will need a knife and cut it through. I have a working surface underneath, so if you work in it, don't cut through all the way. You might damage your desk. You could also use a cardboard, a thick cardboard. It's just, I thought this is nice and sturdy. So this is our piece. We have that cut out. Next thing we need to do, we need to join these tie wraps. We will join them together like that, and then around this so you can grab the visor together with it. So when we go to the car, we slip them that onto the visor, it will just slide in and out. Let's go and test this out. Okay, we're in the car right now. We're gonna test this design. We have the tie wrap all connected together and this little foam board that we cut out to the size. So this is a bit smaller. My foam board is a little bit smaller than my visor. So you could do the same, but I didn't want it to stick out. So what I'm gonna do right now is to put the tie wrap, or actually you could use a tie wrap, but this is my cable wrap, or whatever it's called. Just like that. And then if we have a sun in here in this area, because my seat is all the way back, so I can extend it and I have no issues with the sun. We could put that as well on this side instead, because that way you won't see this thing. Or maybe you have your CD collections in here, so you can just put it on the other side as well. You don't have to use tie wraps. You could use elastics, and that hides away. This is super light, so it's just gonna lift her like that, away from everything. So if you like this video, like it, subscribe for more. I'm coming up with new ideas, new things. Now this was very easy and cheap. This costed me $4 altogether. You can probably do it even cheaper if you use cardboard and elastics. All you need is knife. Okay, see you later.